This is Silver Spur Plumbing, still here at 4100 Everton Drive. Not quite at the city tap, really close. Just lost my push on this cable, and this turn is kind of a pain. It was outside too. But we did get all the way to the tap from outside, and this video matches up with that. So if there's any questions, just have a look at both videos. But that being said, we'll go ahead and start pulling back. If you watch the other video first, you already know there's no issues in the main line here. So if you're just tuning into this one first, there's no issues in the main line. There was some scale issues happening in the secondary line on the underground, and which was allowing lint and hair to get caught, and then that was causing blockages within the 2-inch line. We ran the K9 flex shaft cable and ran it twice with lots of water and cleaned up that pipe and got it flowing a lot better for sure. Haven't gotten there yet, so until then, there's not a whole lot to say. A little bit of a belly here, but not very deep or long. Come out of it right there. Little lump there. Lump. That one's kind of a bigger one. Those are from backfill. And we transition to our cast iron pipe right there at about 35 foot. You can see the top side of that pipe is kind of squished down, but it doesn't seem to be obstructing any flow. The cast iron is pretty rough. But the age of the house kind of matches the roughness of the cast. I did run our descaler through here, got it smoothed out quite a bit. Cast iron's always going to kind of hold jagged edges in certain areas. This right here was our secondary line. This is where we were actually clogged. You can see there's a little loose scale here and there, but all of that's broke free and just will wash out over time. The volume of the pipe was very small because of all the previous lint and sludge and scale. And we did run plenty of water through here and had no further issues. Coming out our clean out now, and this is accessed in the basement. We are in the laundry room, and we are right behind the washing machine. There's our clean out, our P-trap and washer box, and our washing machines, or machine and dryer. Thanks for watching.